Good morning, student. It's good to be back once again, and I hope you all are doing fine. Alright, last class we have learned resolving conflicts in a democracy. Today, our topic of discussion will be based on equality and justice. So for that, you will find even in your content book, page number 28. So our aim for today is you will be able to explain the importance of equality and justice in a democracy. And the resources required for today is your S3, that is your worksheet 3. Okay, for that you'll find in page number 19 under your worksheet, your notebook and exit content book. The keywords for today is equality and justice. So our main focus of uh, discussion will be based on equality and justice. So first of all, I want you guys to be clear with the meaning of equality and justice. Alright, so let's look into the meaning of equality and justice. Alright, equality. So what is equality? The fact of being equal or the equal treatment of people irrespective of social or cultural differences. Equality in simple meaning of the term, it means treating everyone equally, okay? And what is justice? Justice means the state or characteristics of being just or fair impartiality, which means not being partial to individual person. Okay, all right. So that is justice. So, all right, student. Today you will learn about the importance of equality and justice in a democracy. All right. So we'll be learning about what are some of the importance of equality and justice in a democracy. Alright, now you have to observe the picture and identify what does it depict. Okay, for that I'll give you a few seconds to think. As you observe the picture, there are 4 pictures here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 pictures out here. Okay. Alright, as you can see from the picture, the first one is inequality. So what is inequality? Inequality means unequal access to opportunities. Okay, as you can see from the picture itself, there's a this is a particular food tree. Okay, and there are 2 persons out here, one on the right and one on the left, one on the right and one on the left. Okay, so the left hand side is getting more opportunity comparing to that of the right hand side. So that is inequality, means both of them, they are not getting equal opportunities. Okay, and we look into the number 2, that is the equality. So what is equality? As you observe from the picture itself, okay, both of them, they are getting equal opportunities, is it? Eventually distributed tools and assistance. Now both of them, they are getting same size of ladder, okay, to reach the topmost layer of the tree, right? So there is equality, the state of being given equal treatment. Okay, and what is equity? Now don't get confused with equity and equality. Okay, so what is equity? Equity means custom tools that identify and addresses inequality. So whatever they see in inequality, this equity, they try to identify and addresses, okay, inequality. So what is the difference between inequality and equity? Equity means, see, the ladder now become a little bit taller comparing to that of the other one, right? So that is equity. Okay, equity. And what is justice? The last one, what is justice? Justice means fixing the system to offer equal access to both tools and opportunities. Now coming back to justice. Justice means, as you can see, they are providing equal opportunities. So the top one is equal opportunities, and then down portion, that is the ladder. Okay, that is equal tools and assistant. Okay, see, both the ladder are of the same size, as well as both the person are getting equal opportunities. So that is justice. All right, now I hope you are clear with the inequality, equality, equity and justice. Let's move ahead. All right, so how does democracy functions? right? So the famous definition, as you can see from here, government of the people, by the people, for the people. So this is a simple definition of democracy. Okay, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people, and it is quoted by Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so this is a tree of democracy, and under the tree, as you can see, different branches. As you can see, different branches, right? So these are the branches. Okay, so equal right for all, which means everyone is treated equally and everyone has got equal rights in the eyes of the law. All right, and good health care for all. Government also provide hospital and, okay, primary health center, right? So all those are good health center provided by the democracy. An inclusive society, which means everyone is included in the society. Okay, no one is deprived of their rights. And sustainable planet, a sustainable planet, which means everyone works for the common goal, okay, towards uplifting the benefit of each and every individuals. All right, and effective gun control. So whenever there's a conflict that arises, as we have learned, in a country, right, or India having a conflict with our neighboring country, it is the government, it is the police, it is the military force, it is the court who always control those conflicts, okay, and resolve that conflicts. So here, this is how the function of democracy usually operate in a democracy, okay, in a democratic country. Now, what are some of the challenges to democracy? So say beside having all the advantages, okay, we know that democracy has got lots of advantage, okay. Still then it has also some of the challenges as well, right? So what are some of the challenges to democracy? Now they are given 6 point, okay. So first one, casteism, communalism, regionalism, poverty, unemployment, and caste discrimination. So basically, there are lots of reasons which leads to challenges to democracy. Okay, but specifically, the most important thing is the illiterate. All right, as you can see that India, we have lots of illiterate people. Okay, so because of that reason, when it comes to election in democracy, people, because they don't have access to information, okay, about the leaders, since they cannot read and write, it leads to another big challenges to democracy. Okay, and then the another one is poverty. So not only illiterate, but because of poverty, uh, democracy also faces lots of challenges. Okay, because poor people who needs day-to-day okay, necessities, right, food, clothes, shelter, right. So in India, as you can see that still more than 25%, okay, they are living below poverty line, and because of that reason, there is also another challenges for democracy. And also not only that, but unemployment, as you can see from the point, unemployment, okay, because of the challenges of unemployment. So you see in India there are lots of educated person, okay, but because of the vast population, we have around 1.3 billion approximate population in India, okay, and not everyone is getting the employment in the government sector or in the private sector, and because of that reason it is also leading to the challenges in democracy. And because of caste discrimination, we also know that India, now we are not following kind of caste discrimination system, okay, like previously in the ancient days, the caste system, they were four castes, right? Brahmin, Kshatriya, Sudras, Vishyas, and also we have the untouchable, all right, or the Dalit. But still, as you can see, in a democratic countries like India, the caste discrimination is still prevailing in our society, okay, and because of all those reasons, it leads to challenges to Indian democratic system, okay. All right, now coming back to think and answer, okay, so this is a work for you to do. So how does a democratic government ensure that all are treated equally in society? And how does it ensure justice? In other words, to understand the question is asking, how does a democratic government or a democratic country, okay, ensure that everyone in the society is treated equally. All right, and another one is, and then how does a democratic country ensure that everyone gets justice? Okay, so that is the question. So for that, I want you guys to think and answer, okay, and I want a, all right, I just want an answer for you guys, okay, so you can record your answer in your notebook or in any materials that you have. So your homework for today is you have to complete practice questions 7, 8, 9 and 10, okay, from exit content book. You'll find in page number 31. And you have to complete your worksheet S3, okay, and you find in page number 19 under your worksheet, okay. So that's it. Thank you all. Stay safe. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.